Hello, everyone. This is my final recommendation for the Southwest Transit marketing team. I am Adeline Deme, a student from Grand Canyon University, Leadership and Organization course. My choices have been based on a few constraints, mainly that I could only select 4 members. In this presentation, I will walk you through who I selected, why I picked those members, their strengths and their weaknesses, methods I would use for motivation and conflict management, and finally, how this team aligns with conscious capitalism. As you may know, Southwest Transit is a new competitive landscape with 50 ultra low cost flights coming into the marketplace. The company needs to react quickly with a relevant and impactful marketing plan that ties into the launch of the new Boeing 747 aircraft. The challenge I faced was the restriction to just 40 members, which made it critical to create a very effective and balanced marketing team. The 4 members I selected after evaluations are Elizabeth as project manager, Natalie as communications manager, Michael as strategic manager, and Kathleen as quality and standard lead. This combination blends leadership, creativity, strategy, and attention to detail into one cohesive group. Why I selected those members? I selected Elizabeth for her ability to provide structure and proven leadership. Natalie was chosen because she has dynamic and highly persuasive in her communications. Michael strategically balances tactical and strategic perspective. And finally, Kathleen ensures quality and maintains high standards of output. Each one of these members brings a unique strength that is essential for success. Narrowing the applications down to 4 was not easy. One of the biggest decisions I had to make was between Doe and Kathleen. Doe is efficient and dependable, but Kathleen consistently delivers a high quality finished product. Since reputation and brand image are critical in this project, I ultimately decided that quality needed to take priority. This is why Kathleen was chosen. The team's greatest strength is balance. Elizabeth enforces timelines, Natalie drives communications, Michael brings strategic vision, and Kathleen safeguards standards. Together, they provide leadership, innovation, and execution, qualities that position them well to deliver strong results. Potential weaknesses. Of course, every team has limits. Natalie's competitiveness could create tension. Michael sometimes struggles with staying engaged. Kathleen's perfectionism may slow progress, and Elizabeth's collaborative approach could affect decision making speed. These risks are real, but with strong leadership and awareness, they can be managed effectively. Motivation and conflict strategies. To keep the team motivated, I would use expectancy theory, linking efforts to clear outcomes, and goal setting theory with measurable and attainable SMART milestones. For conflict, I will encourage open discussion and reflection so differences don't harm creativity. Elizabeth, as project manager, could serve as a neutral mediator when needed. I would also apply transformational and situational leadership styles which inspire creativity while addressing each individual's need. Conscious capitalism and stakeholder orientation. This team also represents conscious capitalism. Their focus goes beyond profits to people, culture, and customers. From the very start, I prioritize stakeholder orientation, ensuring that collaboration and contribution were balanced both internally and externally. My selection reflects ethical decision making and is aligned with providing values to all stakeholders. Value creation for stakeholders. Value creations happen in multiple ways. First, for employees, growth and skills development. For customers, unique campaigns that strengthen the brand. For shareholders, profitability and competitive advantage. In summary, my selected 4-member team meets the dimensions of leadership, communication, strategy, and quality. While potential weaknesses exist, they are manageable. This team presents conscious capitalism and is positioned to create value for all stakeholders while helping Southwest Transit regains its competitive edge in the market. Thank you. Here are the academic references I use to support the team selection process: motivation theories, conflict strategies, and leadership styles. This serves as a theoretical foundation for the recommendations I've presented today. Thank you.